Not a real surprise if it works. I mean, I've done this before, but anyhow. Did it cut all the way through? That's the question. I need to soften the glue because this is annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a... What shall I do? I need some sort of solvent, but not extreme. I mean, Hospicina does work, but it might hurt the glue underneath the tracks that I want to use. So I don't know. I'll try WD-40. I don't know if that works, but if you don't try, although it doesn't evaporate, so that might be a dumb choice. Maybe some alcohol would be a better choice. This is the clean cloth. Well, it worked, but it's quite clean. Not sure about the WD-40, but I know wasp benzina is too aggressive, so I need to find something in between so I don't like rip off everything. I mean, it's nice if it goes fast, but I want the best possible adhesion from the acrylic. So this stuff, I don't think it evaporates quite nicely, so I don't think that's a good idea. But this one did came out nice. Yeah. It's a miracle. 6 in a row. No problems at all. I didn't even apply new remount glue. I used the remount that was on here, and it's enough. It works perfectly this time. Maybe this remount thing is a thing. This whole project is more of a fun and giggle thingy, because I made so much of those thingies with the plasma cutter. I thought might as well do something with it. Oops. Yay, a foil. Since I made a, you know, as a test all these metal pieces with the plasma, they're not all perfect, but still usable. So I might as well use them. So I made a new frame that's slightly different than the older frame. Not sure if it's visible. Yeah, it is. Maybe like this. Shadows, something with shadows, but they're wider. That's one thing. And these rounded corners here, if I want to use a ribbon in here, it becomes a problem in this corner. So corners are overcut slightly. Might still be a problem. Might have to recut it and do it like this. So this is a straight edge. First I'll see if this works. Maybe this is also a failure. I didn't think about that. But, well, anyhow, some new frames. They're wider to accompany, so this is sitting on here, to accompany some of this foamy thingy, like there, and still leave room for a magnet. Now the problem is this foam is 6 thick, which is way too thick. I mean, this is 3, so I would love to have like 4mm thick foam, but I don't have any. So yeah, I did order some 5mm, yeah, 5mm foam, so that might work. I don't know. I ordered it for the Stratec thingies, but I might use it myself as well. And then there's the way how you cut foam like nicely. Probably gonna use my laser if I manage to get it to work. I ordered a new one just in case. Or I can maybe plot cut it. I don't know yet. I mean, you cannot machine it, so. So yeah, this is part 1. And I made the foil. If I can grab it without destroying it, to be sitting like thus. And then in this undriven area there will be foam supporting it. But I'm not sure if this all works. I mean, it's just an idea. By the way, I need to think of a way of, you know, if I want to do this more often. I'm probably gonna do it by hand, but normally I would like say you mount it here and then you add a piece of whatever here to grab it, and then attach your weight to have the same amount of tension on the foil every time. Now it's a bit random. You see, if I let it go, it, you know, it bulges out here. So there needs to be some tension. Resonance might still be quite high because the aluminium is quite thick and holds its corrugation quite well. So if I want to, I can, you know, there's much room still here to stretch it farther out because this aluminium is so, well, tough. I don't know, but yeah, I think it looks real good. It is very low impedance, I believe 1.3 or something. It's because the aluminium is so thick, and this is a coil I made before once, and I know it cuts rather decent and it looks really nice, so I just reused that one. So is it usable as a tweeter right now? Probably not, but that's not the you know, just want to see what this foam support does, etc. There's much to play around with. So I made several of those, as you've seen, like 6 or something. And only this one is corrugated, so I can redo it if I don't like this one. I attach these pieces here to have something to grab on and distribute like the load on the complete foil. Like if I grab it here, I can still like stretch it up nicely, and that's because there's a big piece of aluminium here. I could have used like maybe an extra tape as well to make this part stiffer, like, you know, add a few pieces of paper tape here and there, and then cut it out. So these and these are even like, you know, stronger and distributing the load more even when I'm stretching it. But that's it for now. Maybe tomorrow I'll add some magnets to one of these. Broop, broop, broop. When I added that, I probably add the foam, which is too thick. And that might be a problem because it will push the membrane upwards when I assemble it. And if it stretches, I am fucked. So, because on the other side, there's also gonna be foam. So if I'll put it together like perfectly, then there's no problem. But if one side hits the foam first, it might stretch the membrane, then it's like in there, but shitty. So that's why a foam that is not 6 millimeter thick is beneficial, I guess. So I need 3 or 4, and I have some 5 coming over and see what I can do with it. Otherwise I have to cut out foam pieces in the other direction. So I order like 1 centimeter thick foam, and I cut out pieces the thickness I wanted. That's another option. If there is 1 centimeter foam, that's it, one thing. And depending on if a laser can cut it cleanly without like creating hard pieces and such, because if so, then the foam is useless. It will create distortion, etc. So I don't know, we'll see. Another day tomorrow, although tomorrow's maybe cleaning day, and the day after is a day I'm looking forward to, because I'll have a new companion for me, and she probably will be in the videos as well, just because she's around me probably. So a new pussycat coming. I'm looking so much forward to it. Can't wait. Well, see you next time. Bye bye.